Continue to learn English. Study about the second conditional. What is the second conditional? The second conditional is used to talk about imaginary or unreal situation in the present or future. Things that are not true now but could happen if something were different. Example: how to use the second conditional. 1. If I had a lot of money, I would travel around the world. Number 2. If she study harder, she would pass the exam. 3. If it rained, we would stay at home. 4. If they were older, they would understand this better. 5. If he knew the answer, he would tell us. Continue to example. Number 6. If I live near the beach, I would swim every day. 7. If my parents allow me, I would go to the party. 8. If we did not have school tomorrow, we would play football all day. 9. If I were you, I would take that job. 10. If our teacher give us less homework, we would be happier. Okay, bye bye. See you in the next video. Please point like, point subscribe and share for my video.